shut the fuck up now?
Jesus Christ, shut up! What is going on? What's my story?
Can you be quiet? I'm trying to sleep.